I'm not gonna worry about it then. Okay, continuous versus discrete graphs. Okay. I need 2 people to embarrass today. Hands up. If you're up for possibly being embarrassed by me, perhaps it will not be embarrassing, perhaps it will be. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Who's it gonna be? I need 2 of you. It's gonna be number 2 and number 1. So sorry. You'll have to just not get embarrassed today. Number 2 is what, Callie? Or you're 1? Okay, Tristan's going first. So Tristan, you're going to be my example of, let's go with continuous graphs. We'll start there. Okay, the word I want you to remember with continuous graphs is connected. What does the word continuous mean? Anybody know? Goes on forever and ever. And in a graph, it is connected. Everything is connected. So we're going to do a quick graph for Tristan, and this is going to be a continuous graph. Tristan. Pen's running out. Tragedy. Okay. So here's, Tristan, we're going to be graphing your awkwardness over the last few years. Okay, all right, so Tristan, we need some data first. Let's see, you're in 9th grade now. Let's see, what's peak awkwardness? How far back can you remember? Let's do 5th grade. 5th grade, 6th grade, 7th grade, 8th grade, and 9th grade. I need you to be as honest as you can be. How should we define awkwardness, everybody? Awkwardness. A? Well, I mean, I don't mean like a letter that I want to use for it. I mean like a definition of the word awkward. I'm going to say it's how comfortable you are with being yourself at all times. Okay? And teenager years are tough. Can we all agree? It's hard to be yourself. It's hard to like yourself. It's hard to not be super weird all of the time. All right, so Tristan, we're going to do a scale between 0 and 10. 10 being that you are very confident with who you are. You love yourself. You are not weird at all, or at least you don't think you're weird at all. And 0 is like super awkward, as in like, oh my gosh, I'm so embarrassed about every single thing I do. Like you like cough or your seat squeaks and you're like, I would like to die right now. My seat just squeaked. What if somebody thinks that I farted? I would rather die than be in this situation.
Dead silent, so I don't think
No. Were you like, it's me.
it was dead silent.
It was
taking
Maggie.
a test,
It was not me.
and he blamed it on someone else. It was literally.
Nice. All right. Tristan, we're being realistic now. Tristan, 5th grade, you get to judge yourself. How awkward were you in 5th grade, 0 to 10?
I don't know, like a 6.
6. Okay. Not too bad. 6th grade? Did you get more awkward or less awkward or more confident?
I don't know. I don't remember. I think it was like a 4.
Okay, more awkward for sure. 7th grade, more awkward than 6th grade or more confident?
No, probably like 5.
Okay, all right. We're improving into 7th grade. 8th grade?
Say like a 6 again.
Okay. So 6th grade was a bad point. You got it. 9th grade. How you feeling now?
No, like a 9.
9. Dang. All right. Look at you, Mr. Confident. All right. I'm going to break this axis first of all. So we're going to do one of those weird things there because I'm pretty sure Tristan existed before 5th grade.
I don't know about that.
Okay. I'm going to make these data points 5th grade, 6th grade, 7th grade, 8th grade, and 9th grade. And I'm also going to break this scale here because I'm going to start at my low point, which is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is his grade down here, and this is his awkwardness. I spelled awkward wrong. Awk. Whew, all right, let's try again, Laura. I did spell it right here. A-W-K. W-A-R-D. Awkwardness. Okay. So now I'm going to start graphing his awkwardness. Let's see, we're going to start at 6. And then go to 4. And then 5. And then another 6. And then 9. I'm also going to connect these dots. Why do you guys feel like I connected those dots? It's continuous, but why is it continuous?
It doesn't just like randomly stop.
Yeah, the numbers don't randomly stop. His awkwardness doesn't just cease to exist. He's not dead. It doesn't jump. So it's not like from 5th grade to 6th grade, one day he woke up and he was like, I'm no longer 6, I am a 4. It has instantly happened. It kind of like devolved into being more awkward, right, in 5th grade? And then once he hit 5th grade, he was down, but then he slowly climbed back up. Do you see how it's not just like one point in time, time keeps going? That's what makes it continuous. It's connected. All right, now, discrete graphs. This one is going to be about Callie. Discrete graphs means that it's, I want you to remember, connected, continuous, discrete is dots. Just dots. Callie, I need you to think of something that you're obsessed with. Something you really like. Are you really into shoes? Are you really into cows? Are you really into cats? Are you really into Monster drinks? What is something that you love? You're obsessed with it. You don't have anything that like you would buy at a store for certain?
No.
Any animals you love? Okay, anything you like. Pick a thing you like. A thing or an animal you like. Such a classic teenager problem, Callie. I'm like, say anything you like, and you're like, there's nothing in the world that I like. You can do it. Fancy pens. No. Candy. Certain kind of food. What'd you say? Music. All right, so music. So let's say that you do not have a subscription and that you're buying stuff like piece by piece. So each song you're paying a certain amount. Okay. How much would you pay normally? You guys tell me. These days, if you're buying just one song, how much would it cost you? If you didn't have a subscription to a service, if you just had to buy one song. Anybody know? That's true. Normally you just pay for the skips. Okay, let's say that you've got a streaming, or not a streaming service, but some sort of service where you pay, I don't know, let's say that you pay 50 cents per song, okay? And then you have it forever. That seem fair? Okay. So Callie is obsessed with songs, so she's going to start buying some songs today. All right. So let's say this is your week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay. And let's say that Callie decides that she is going to treat herself, and every day this week, she is going to add a new song to her collection. So how many songs does she have on Monday that she's just recently added? 1. Tuesday? Tuesday, she's up to how many?
2.
2. Wednesday, she's up to 3. Thursday, she's up to 4. And Friday, she's up to 5. This is my days down here. I'm labeling, and this is the number of songs. Labeling over here, too. Okay. Here's Callie's graph. Why wouldn't I connect these dots?
Because it's a discrete.
What?
It's a discrete.
Yeah, but why is it discrete?
It's discrete
Because it's not
dots.
continuous.
Because it jumps.
Because you can't just